Hello and welcome to Speak English with ChatGPT, the channel where you can improve your English language skills with the help of ChatGPT. Are you struggling to speak English with confidence? Do you want to improve your pronunciation, grammar, and vocabulary? If the answer is yes, then this channel is for you. We understand that learning a new language can be challenging, but we're here to help you along the way. Our goal is to provide you with engaging and interactive content that will help you speak English like a pro. With our videos, you'll have access to a wide range of topics, including grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, idioms, and much more. Our conversation mode will allow you to practice speaking with ChatGPT and build your fluency and confidence. So, if you're ready to take your English speaking skills to the next level, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest videos. Let's start speaking English with ChatGPT.